Does the way we grow our food impact how many nutrients we're getting from it? Chances are, if you're picking up a regular pack of blueberries at the supermarket, you're probably not getting much. You're getting some, but nothing to write home about. Forget the fact that they've been sprayed a million times and imported from who knows where. Fact is, those suckers have been stripped of most of their nutrients. Okay, so how do we know if our blueberries are actually packed with all those great antioxidants and nutrients like they're supposed to be? I'll tell you, kid.
You talking to me?
It's called soil health. That's right. The healthier your soil, the more nutrient dense your food is. It's mind-blowing how much our soil health is directly related to the health of our bodies and to the health of our planet. So how do we improve our soil? Listen to this. A 2021 study found that regen ag practices increased nutrient density in the soil by 7 times compared to conventional farming. It also found that regen ag brings about higher levels of vitamins B, K, E, calcium, phosphorus. The list goes on. In regenerative meat, specifically pork and beef, way more omega-3s were found. Also, no-till regenerative wheat had way more micronutrients than conventional wheat had. Boom! We are jamming now. So us at Kiss the Ground are not just advocating for a healthier planet through regenerative practices. We are also advocating for your health. Because soil health is human health. It's all connected. Seriously, people say it's all connected all the time, but it really is all connected. So get out there and vote with your dollar. Click the link in our bio to become a Kiss the Ground supporter today and to find a regenerative farm near you.